So here's our master bathroom, and I've tiled this floor. I actually demoed this thing 5 years ago. And got a toilet in, I did the flooring, and then I went on to other parts of the house. That shower, I'm going to tile that and go right over the top of that tile, but I'm just going to touch it up where it looks like it's a usable shower. And so to finish out this bathroom where it'll pass an appraisal, you can maybe see the left here. I got to put in a vanity here. Let's get a little closer here. So I bought another vanity I'm going to assemble. Hopefully it'll go better than the last one. I've already got a top for it. Put this vanity in there. And then that shower over there. Get some hardware on there. That hole there, that square, let's go take a look at that. So that square hole in the wall there, that was like a soap dish. So I'm just going to buy another soap dish, silicone it in there as a temporary measure. These holes, there's set there, and there's one down there. I'm probably just going to patch those up because I probably will put a grab bar in here, but that was where grab bar was there. But I'll just patch that up. And then the drain, I took the drain cover off and put tape over, so I'll just get another drain cover and silicone it on there. So the reason I'm doing all this is these things. These are all minor repairs. I mean, obviously this bathroom would not pass an appraisal. They would say you have only one bathroom instead of two. But it won't take much to get this where it looks like it's a functional bathroom. And the thing about an appraisal is they don't test or verify anything. They just take pictures of stuff and look at stuff. And what I don't want to have happen is, with this new kitchen, we've gotten all the money we've put into this house the past 5 years. $148,000, excuse me, in 9 years. $148,000 in 9 years. New roof, new air conditioner, new kitchen, redid the flooring. This house should appraise at around $300,000. And we're going to refinance for $75,000. So it's a very low risk loan. But I don't want some underwriter saying, well, you got to fix this, fix that, all this kind of crap. So we're going to do some of these repairs next month or two, then we'll refinance, get our house refinanced, plus more cash so we can then finish everything on our house.